Hello my dreamers and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today I am barefaced. I'm just playing. Today I am going to create a makeup look for you guys. I'm really excited for this video. I have been waiting for a while to film this video because as you can read from the title, it is going to be a Korean inspired makeup look using Korean products. And as you guys already all know, last year in November, I traveled to Korea with my sister and we bought some Korean stuff, makeup specifically. Honestly, I thought I was gonna be buying a lot more Korean products, but my shyness came and yeah, I didn't really get as much as I wanted to, sadly, but I am able to incorporate some products here and there. Also, a disclaimer, I am not trying to be Korean. I'm not trying to be a Korean wannabe or whatever, but I really do want to incorporate like more Korean stuff on my channel just because I really am a big like K-pop and you know K-drama, all of that jazz. I'm really into the K-pop culture and I really want to incorporate some of that into my channel this year. So after coming back from Korea, I was really inspired and I really definitely want to incorporate more Korean content into my channel. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys are not interested in that, let me know as well. But yeah, I do feel really inspired. There's nothing wrong feeling inspired and wanting to, you know, showcase something onto your channel. So yeah, that is just what I'm doing and I'm really excited to jump into this video. If you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then keep on watching. I'm going to follow my usual routine, as in starting with my eyes first and then my face last, and then yeah, we shall go from there. Okay, so starting off with the eyes, they do not have an eyeshadow base or anything like that, but I am going in with a concealer. This is from Innisfree. This is my concealer and this is in the shade N23. I just pretty much like guessed on my shade and everything, so I'm just going to apply some of this on my eyes so I can start off with my eyes. Also got this 3CE style Nanda mirror, so I'm gonna be using this to apply my makeup. So the first product I'm going in with is this 3CE palette. This is the Dry Bouquet. This palette is all matte. I specifically chose this because there are a lot of products that, you know, have like the shimmers and all of that. But I also bought this from Innisfree. It's a twinkle glitter pen thingy, which I think is gonna look so pretty with this look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with this palette. I also bought this brush palette. This is from Etude House and it is the Rudolph Coming to Town shadow brush set. It is super cute. It came with these 3 eyeshadow brushes. Then it also has this cute little bag where you can put your like brushes in there. When I went there, it was in November. It was almost Christmas, so they have this cute little theme here, which is super cute. So I'm going to be using this as well. All right, to start off, I'm using this more fluffy brush right here. We'll start off with this like pale white shade up here. I'm going to put that all over my eyes, just so my eyes are like, you know, the same as my skin a little bit. So I have not touched this palette, so I'm not really sure how it's going to perform. Koreans, they don't really, you know, they like more of that minimal look and the pigmentation's not really as bright because, you know, they just go for that more natural look, which is really, really pretty, which I wish I can like rock that kind of look because I need it sometimes. Like sometimes I feel like I'm just too dramatic with my makeup and I just want to go a little bit more natural, but when I put natural on my face, I look weird. All right, so on the other side of this fluffy brush, I am going in with this pinkish, it's more like of a corally pinkish shade on this outer side here. I'm going to put that all over my eyes. And I feel like they don't really go as high on the eyeshadow as well, so I'm gonna stay pretty low. Yes, I've watched a couple of videos and I watched a couple like Instagram videos, and yeah, I feel very inspired. I mean, like I say, I'm just going to wing this. Yeah. Oh, where's my... I keep forgetting I have this cute mirror that I should be utilizing. Alright, so... Just gonna blend the outside a little bit. I'm going in with the more browner shade down here, and I'm using this other brush. It's more like a crease brush. I'm going to put that like more like under, like right on the lash line and a little bit on the outer corners. On the lower lash line, then I'm gonna put it a little bit higher. Okay, and then like I mentioned earlier, I'm going with this Innisfree Twinkle Glitter Hologram. It's like a cute little glitter pencil. Like, this is super cute. And I'm going to be applying that in the middle of my eyes. Right in the middle here. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Yeah. And I know they like really do love like glitters on their eyes. So that is what I am trying to do here. Okay. Cute. It's so glittery. I love it. Can you guys see? I'm going with this brown eyeliner from Etude House. It is the Drawing Show brush liner. It's kind of like a felt tip. It's like brown. Wing liner, but I'm gonna do it really like thin. I am going in with the foundation for now, and we are going with primer first. I didn't see any primers there, but maybe I kind of just overlooked it. But thankfully I do have a Korean primer, which is the Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm from Touch in Soul. I got it in my BoxyCharm a while back, so yeah, I'm gonna utilize it. It smells so good. Oh, let's get this face classy for foundation. Oh, this feels so hydrating on the face. For foundation, we are going in with the Double Lasting Foundation from Etude House. I was told that this is the Korean version of the Estee Lauder's Double Wear Foundation. So usually a lot of Koreans, they use like BB creams, CC creams, cushion. So I'm really excited to see how this one is gonna be, and if it's really like, you know, because their skin are so beautiful, so they don't really use a lot of foundation. So, you know, I'm really excited to try this out. I have been dying ever since I bought it to see if it's gonna be any good, but we shall see. I'm going to be putting it on this marble coaster that I bought from Bed Bath & Beyond, because I hate putting it on my skin, like foundation in general. Like, I just hate it. So I'm just gonna be squirting some of that down here. See, you know I have not used it when it takes forever to squirt out. All right, so I'm just going to pump like a couple, obviously. And then I don't know how the shade is gonna match, honestly, like I said. But I also bought this new beauty blender that I want to try out. This is the color changing beauty blender, and it looks like this. So I'm about to go wet it and we shall see what color it turns into. All right, so after wetting it, it turned into this like light purplish color. Cute. Honestly, I don't even like the Estee Lauder's Double Wear foundation. It is just too thick for my liking, honestly. So, oh, okay. I mean, I feel like it's a little bit lighter, but I mean, I can make it work, honestly. I must say the coverage honestly is not bad. It is really not bad. I thought it would not cover my scars, but it's actually covering my scars. Alright, this is not bad at all. I'm about to put concealer on as well, so I am not mad at this. And it looks really like smooth on the skin as well. We're gonna go back into the Innisfree concealer and I'm just going to apply a little bit. Not too much like I usually do. Just like a little bit down here. I know they don't really use like a bronzer or anything, but I did wanted to try it. I wanted to add a little bit of it on my skin, and I have the Innisfree bronzer. I'm just going to add a little bit just because, you know, I have a more chubbier face. I want to kind of put more shadow on my face. It's actually not as dark as it looks like on the pan, so which is not too bad. For blush, I have this Clio Pro Multi-Face blush, the shade Coral Soul. I'm going to be using some of that. Put the apples in my cheeks. I'm going to finish up the eyes and use these same colors. I'm going in with a smaller brush and go in with that pink shade on the outside again. And then I'm going with the brown Marc Jacobs Earthquake eyeliner. I'm going to apply that onto the lower waterline and on the upper waterline as well. Buy a mascara because I was going to be using lashes anyway. I'm using these ones from Doe Lashes, and these are in the style Morning Dew. Super cute. I'm just going to be using this Tarte mascara on my lower lash line just to try to like bring out my lashes. And then I'm going to be putting on those Doe lashes. Yeah, we're going to apply some of that in a little bit. I'm feeling really hot in this knitted sweater that I also bought in Korea. So I just put glue on the lashes. While that waits, I am going with this highlighter. This is from Etude House. This is the Glow Highlighter Wheel. I'm just going to be applying that on the tops of my cheekbones, and I'm going with the lighter one up here. So I feel like they were not really into like the blinging highlights like, you know, we do over here. So just going with a little subtle. I'm also applying the Lila B Glow Face Mist for now. We just want some glowy skin. Have a little fan here. They're really natural and nice, and I've been loving these lashes from Doe Lashes. They're more natural. They're made for more of the Asian eyes, so it's just so easy to put on. We are going to finish off with lips. And we are going with this 3CE Style Nanda Soft Lip Lacquer in the style Tawny Red. Color looks like, it's like a nice red. And I'm going to be applying it with my fingers. So I could do it a little bit more gently on my lips. And I'm going to try to focus it more on the inner parts of my lips. I'm just like gently tapping like the outer parts with like the leftover of my finger. Alright you guys, what do you think? This is the finished look and I fixed my hair. Ooh, I am liking this look. What do you guys think? Alright, I'm definitely going to be rocking these looks more on my channel because I am loving it. Ugh, I love the eyes so much, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about this kind of look in the comments. I would like to purchase more Korean makeup, play around with this some more, and create more looks for you guys. I mean, I'm really liking this, something new, something different, and yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of my little family here on YouTube. And that is all that I have. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!